各位朋友，大家好！今天我给大家带来一款我们龙工的华谊装载机 LG303，我们世界吉尼斯纪录创造者1分钟转圈40圈。接下来我们看一下我们华谊的内饰啊，那么这是一个安全杆啊，右手的操纵杆是控制我们的大臂还有铲斗啊，跟我们大装的设计是一样的。向后按我们的操纵手柄是提大臂，向前是放大臂向我们内侧操作是我们收斗，外侧是放斗。左手的操纵杆是控制我们的行走啊，向前是往前面走，向后翻是往后面走啊，向右侧是往右边转向，左侧是往左边转向。那么镜头拉近一点，让我们看一下我们的内饰设计啊。那么前后左右都是有玻璃，包括天窗都是玻璃的这个玻璃是可以打开的，非常人性化啊。那么这一款是带了一个原装空调的带原装空调，这个里面有原装空调啊。那么这个里面的一些这个控制面板就在我们的驾驶室的右前方右前方，这是我们的启动开关的地方，这是我们的燃油的显示器，这是计时器，这是安全锁，这是我们的前灯、后灯、警示灯、左右灯那么这是我们的油门这个油门电子油门这个逆时针是加大逆时针是加大顺时针是油门放小这个空间还是非常大的大家可以看到看一下我还有1拳头高我坐在驾驶室里面1.82米的身高。好的，大家感兴趣可以到我们长沙易安兄弟机械设备有限公司来试乘试驾，样机在我们长沙长沙，欢迎大家。好的，接下来我带大家一起对我们 LG303 进行一个详细的了解。我们 LG303 是采用的封闭驾驶室，还有原装的空调。好，我们绕车一周看一下看一下我们的非常精致的设计，非常精美的尾部设计。看一下我们的尾部，看到没有？我们的空调散热器就在这个位置这个是我们的这个液压油的加注口我们柴油加注口在这里接下来看一下我们这台车的整机技术参数。那么型号是 LG303， 额定载重 3.44 吨，整车质量 1.64 吨，发动机功率 18.5千瓦。那么整机尺寸，我们的长是 2.6， 宽是0.98高是 1.8。好，接下来我们进入这个内部进行一个操作演示。那么前面是配的 LED 大灯我们顶部有一个天窗玻璃，有一个这个防护网，前后左右都有防护网那么这一款是采用的这个标准的铲斗它带一个快接机械快接，可以随时更换数据。好。我是1.82米的身高，给大家演示一下我们华谊的操作。打开驾驶室门，进入我们的驾驶室里面。好，把门关起来，把安全锁放下来，把我们的两侧玻璃打开，启动，打开安全锁。接下来进行我们右手的操纵杆，或者驾驶正前方右手的操纵杆是控制我们的大臂跟铲斗，往后操作操纵杆是提大臂，然后把大臂提起来，非常的流畅操作丝滑。
往前是放我们的大米行，那么向内层操作是手斗，外侧是方斗啊，这是方斗，往前放我们的水平高度，左手的操纵杆是控制我们的行走动作，向前方是往前走，毛是往后走，倒车，内侧是向左左转，向外翻的是右转，左转啊，右转，下到，倒车。前走，这是开过的地方，给那个延伸一下把它画一360度转圈给好，360度转圈，操作非常的平稳，驾驶空间非常很好，把的这个车里面非常舒服，里面是带了这个空调的比赛，30转圈啊。转圈，顺时转圈好。完全的话，我们整车还是非常平稳好。非常的平稳，一点都没有节奏感好。视野是相当开阔啊，它是前后左右后前上都是有玻璃的啊。可以看到我们在这个地上画了一个圆圈啊。操作非常简单啊。好，我们往后倒。操作非常简单啊，下午学了10分钟，就会了啊。开华裔的话，一定要注意这个倒车啊，或者华裔是在这种下手的工作作业。好，我们加一下油门，看一下啊。这有没有往前走？好的，好，验车完毕。没错，辛苦了。
Jacob Sharma with Develon, Product and Dealer Manager for Marketing. And what we got today is our new DTL. Our new DTL is going to be launching later this year in 2024. It's got a lot of exciting things going for it, starting with the engine. So those of you that are familiar with our product line already are familiar with our D34 engine, which is a staple that we utilize even in our Dozer DD100. That engine is what we're utilizing today in our DTL. Now this engine is going to produce 116 horsepower in a 3.5 ton machine, which puts it best in class for horsepower in this category or platform size. But that's not where we stop. If you are familiar also with our machines, we utilize a lot of features that we incorporate as standard equipment. Some of those we're still working out because this is a prototype machine that we have here at ARA, but we're really excited about one thing that launched early in January and that was January 1st. We came out with a new warranty, which will be applicable to this DTL 35 machine. That is our 36-month, 5,000 hour standard warranty that's full coverage and transferable. We really picture this as an opportunity for us to be able to support our machine after the sale and provide that extra layer of confidence to the end user, or even if it is a rental machine or something in someone's rental fleet. Now, with the DTL 35, we're really entering the compact market full steam. We've already had our mini excavators, but we do recognize that one part of this is going to be our ability to provide attachments. Right now, we have a grapple bucket on this particular machine, but we are going to broaden that portfolio of attachments, starting with an initial launch of 13 attachments, obviously prioritizing those at the highest take rates. These will include snow blower, snow pusher, and broom, as well as a wide array of others, pallet forks, etc., rotary cutters. So all of these are going to complement this new machine. Now, back to the machine a little bit, you'll see the tracks on it right now. We're going to have a couple different track options. I'm going to mean by that track options for tread design, which will be able to align with whatever customers are requiring for their specific application. Now, as we come through here, a couple of these features that we're showing could end up being standard or optional depending on how we finalize the packaging of this machine, but polycarbonate door is going to be something available on this particular machine. We're going to have high flow capability on the auxiliary hydraulics as well. If you look at the coupler system, we're going to have the manual as well as a hydraulic coupler capability on this machine. Once again, making things easier for that operator. So the rear of our machine, we've always emphasized the accessibility of our units for those that are wanting to do maintenance themselves to help minimize the downtime and increase your uptime. How we do that, as you can see on this particular machine, the layout of our filters, whether it's air, water separator, hydraulic, all easy to get to. And for those that are operating in areas where there's a lot of accumulation of materials, we have a radiator cover to simply convertibles up, give you access to be able to clean your surface area to make sure that you can optimize your airflow. Speaking of airflow on this model, we do have a reversible fan that will be an option. We have decided on that. So if you are in a demanding application with a lot of foreign objects floating around or being sucked into your engine compartments, a reversible fan, it might be something you want to look at to make sure that you operate optimally. You can also see LED lighting is going to be standard. A lot of our machines re-emphasize visibility as well as efficiency, so we also include rear view camera as standard with those LED lights. A AVM package or all-around view monitoring system is also going to be an option on this, so that basically gives you a display in the cab, gives you that surrounding view to make sure that you're operating optimally as well as keeping a safe work site. This is an electro-hydraulic machine, so you're going to gain a lot of different functionality, whether that's how the sensitivity is adjusted for each type of operator. If they prefer something a little more slower on the controls or a quicker response, that's functionality that you can tailor in the monitor and set specific settings to specific operators as well. Something I do want to draw attention to is our seat. We do emphasize operator comfort, and that's not lost on this particular model. Air suspension seats, what we're going to utilize on the production model, and you'll see a small button right here on the left as you're facing the machine. That's actually a heated seat. Telematics, so we have standard telematics on our units. That's for the life of the machine. Obvious value for rental yards and etc. of being able to maintain location, visibility as to if it's in use and etc.
For the latest in construction equipment, sign up for our daily newsletter. Just click the link below.